Wanted to get you guys an update for the 53 Les Paul Restore. This is a quick video to show you how I restored the logo using a frisket. First thing after doing that inlay of the original logo, we're going to sand down and get that level. We're going to then use some tape to tape off the logo and get it so that it looks original. And this is a trick I learned through a bunch of research. I purchased these friskets on eBay, and this guy has a bunch of these for the different years. What I did is I put some tape down, applied the frisket over the logo, so that way I could apply some masking paste, or whatever the heck it's called. And it's sort of a two-piece sticker that you put down and then you slowly peel off, and it allows me to mask the logo with this frisket material. And then from there I'll peel that off and have a perfectly looking logo. So we're going to get a razor blade and just sort of cut under as we're peeling this up. Slow process to peel it back, and then my inlay is perfectly shielded, so I can come back with this liquid frisket to mask off the original mother of pearl inlay. It's nice, it's got an orange tint. Shook it up and put one coat over the logo. That way I can spray paint it and then come back and just scrape it off. So let it dry just a little bit and come back and peel it off. I'm going to use a razor blade just to clean up a couple spots where the tape didn't come off right. Just cleaning it up, pull that last piece of tape off. And now we're going to mask the sides. Get it ready for some gloss black from Stu Mac. So if you're going to do a lot of headstock repairs, this is one of the ways to go. We're then going to take this outside and put a coat of black on it. One light coat, let it dry. It was easier for me just to buy the can than to actually mix this. So first coat, and this is just the second coat. What we're going to do is then let it dry for a day, a couple days, come back and actually sand it down so it's nice and level. This is the process with lacquer that I am doing on the top to make sure I've got a nice even coat and that I don't see any ghost lines from where the inlay was. So we'll sand that down, come back outside here and put another 3 coats on. And make sure that you are covering the truss rod with a piece of tape so you don't get that buildup. So back and forth. That was just one coat. I put 3 more coats on. And then the fun begins, because here I am taking a X-Acto knife and I am slowly starting to peel off the frisket material. And it says that it's water soluble and you can just wipe water on it and it'll come off. And that didn't happen here, and I was terrified of ruining the finish. So I actually ordered 2 friskets just in case. And I just put it down as a reference and started scratching away slowly. And this is better fast forwarded because you can actually see the logo come back to life. I think I spent maybe an hour in total doing this over a couple days to get it perfect. So this is the majority of the time. And then I let it sit, and I came back a couple times to clean it out. My eyes were really bugging out after looking at this. So just a slow process. You don't actually want to scratch the logo. You just sort of want to chip at it so that you get the paint off the top. Big difference. Wanted to make sure that this part was done correctly using the original logo, and that's what some of the weight was on my end. Trying to figure this out, doing the research to get it done right. And then once this is all scraped off and clean, I come back and I put about 6 coats of lacquer on. These are only the first 2 coats, but just using some StewMac clear gloss lacquer, put a couple coats on, sand it down again, and then add another coat here as well. Still waiting for the Les Paul model silk screen. That's coming from Germany. I ordered that over a month ago, but this video is getting really close to being done, guys. We'll be posting an update on the finished project soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.